Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class. Students, this is your life skill period. Open your life skill copy. Before we start today's work, I hope you all have completed your yesterday work and class work and your homework also. Whatever I gave you yesterday. So students, now today we start fill in the blanks for lesson number 4. Write today's date 18/9/2020. Class work. Lesson number 4. Lesson name is United We Stand. After that, write fill in the blanks. After completing this portion, please underline the headings. Most of the children are not underline the headings, and yesterday video I was saying that write capital letter United We Stand. Lesson name is written should be in capital letter, but most of the children are write in small letters. आपको इस लेसन नेम कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है. डोंट यूज स्मॉल लेटर. In today's video, again I will say that write in capital letter. Okay, इसे आप कैपिटल लेटर में लिखेंगे and underline the headings with the help of scale. Now write first. Wind easily blow the dust but cannot dash the rocks. In the poem says that wind easily blow but wind easily blow the dust but cannot dash the rock. विंड क्या करती है? डस्ट को ईजिली ब्लो कर देती है, ईजिली उसे उड़ा ले जाती है, बट कैन नॉट डैश द रॉक. हियर वी शुड राइट मूव. बट कैन नॉट मूव द रॉक्स. लेकिन वो रॉक्स पत्थरों को नहीं ले जा सकती, बिकॉज they are heavy and rocks are made with small particles. छोटे छोटे पत्थरों से छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल, डस्ट पार्टिकल से मिलकर एक बड़ा पत्थर रेडी होता है. So here wind easily blow the dust but cannot move the rock. Okay, now second, there is a strength in dash. Here in the poem it says there is strength in dash. हमारी स्ट्रेंथ कब होती है? when unity is there. Okay, here write unity, UNITY, unity. Now third, if you say dash, nobody can harm you. If you say, here you will write united, UNITED. united. If you say united, nobody can harm you. अगर आप एक रहेंगे तो आपको कोई हार्म नहीं कर सकता, कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकता अगर आपके अंदर यूनिटी होगी. For example, in your locality, your neighbors अगर आपके नेबर्स में यूनिटी होगी तो आपकी लोकेलिटी में कोई किसी को हार्म नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकता. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ वन, birds trapped in net united along the net flow the, here write flock, FLOCK, flock. Here says bird trapped in net. अगर जो बर्ड्स होती हैं वो नेट में फंस जाएंगी इकट्ठे तो, बट इन देयर यूनाइटेड अलॉन्ग, उनके अंदर क्या है, यूनिटी है, तो वो नेट को भी लेकर उड़ जाएंगी. ओके, नाउ फिफ्थ इज देयर ऑफ एफर्ट्स विल dash. Here you write pause, PAUSE, pause. Their efforts will pause. जो efforts होती हैं वो pause हो जाएंगी. Okay, so students, you will write fill in the blanks in your life skill copy. Okay, and please once again I will tell you that lesson name should be written in capital letter and underline the headings. Most of the children are not underlining the headings. In every video I will tell that underline the headings and lesson name should be written in capital letter. Most of the students are right, very good, but some of them are not listening the video, I think, carefully. So please listen the video carefully. If you have any problem anywhere, then you will ask me when your life skill period is running, and anytime you will ask me any problem. I will solve your all the problems. Okay, so now your homework is learn lesson number 4, working on computer, revision test on Monday. ये आपका होमवर्क है कंप्यूटर का. अब मंडे को मैं आपका रिवीजन टेस्ट लूँगी लेसन नंबर 4 का. तो बी प्रिपेयर for your revision. Okay, you have today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, if you do very good in revision, very well, then I will give you chocolates. Okay, so students, write properly. Writing should be neat and clean. Don't write untidy work. आपको कॉपी अगर आप बहुत अच्छे से लिखेंगे, राइटिंग आपकी बहुत अच्छी होगी, तो आपकी कॉपीज़ भी तो बहुत अच्छी होंगी, है ना. सो प्लीज़ राइट इन neat and clean work. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.